Welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's discuss everything else that is happening in the crypto space. You guys are all welcome. You guys are all welcome. You guys are all welcome. So, guys, as you guys can see, so Bitcoin is still holding strong above $118,000. And President Trump, so let me dive into the market. President Trump just signed it into law, at least just signed the Junior's Act, Crypto Act into law. So, which is Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, he said that this Junior's Act, so at least, it creates, financial evolution in the crypto space. So let's see what is happening in the market. Let's discuss. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, man. So let's discuss Bitcoin, let's discuss crypto. So guys, as you guys can see, Bitcoin still holding strong above $118,000. So which is good. So Bitcoin is consolidating. Most of the altcoins they are still booming. Yeah, evening guys. Let's discuss Bitcoin, let's discuss crypto and everything else that is happening in the crypto space. So guys, the market is still holding strong. So Indians wealthiest investors, so at least they choose crypto over stock and gold. That's because every single day they keep realizing that Bitcoin and crypto has become one of the best performing assets over the past few years. So, which is why even if the president Trump, so he decided to sign the Genius Crypto Act into law yesterday. So, at least, which will allow the United States to dominate in the crypto space. So, to make sure that the United States be one of the first leading country in the crypto space. So, guys, Ultra is bullish in Bitcoin. He's still expecting Bitcoin to head up to $200,000. So, which is amazing. So, not just that, Charles Scoweb, so which is managing 10.8 billion asset manager. So he is launching Bitcoin and Ethereum spot trading. Again, a lot of good things happening in the crypto space. So as I was saying, Brian Armstrong says that the Jonas Crypto Act, so this is the federal crypto bill that have been first signed into law in the United States. And with this, the United States, it will be a revolution, a financial revolution in the crypto space. So, which is why I keep saying that, so Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. It's just, let me get this my camera straight. So, guys, don't be scared. So, as I always say, always take profit if you are in profit. But when you are not in profit, it's one of the best strategies into the market now, as you guys can see. So Bitcoin holding strong above $118,000. Yeah, evening, guys, evening. So Bitcoin, I keep telling you guys those things. So Bitcoin start for light. So Bitcoin is that car you drive every single day. Bitcoin is that computer which you use. Bitcoin, Bitcoin is that money which you need. So Bitcoin are those things which you need in order for you to be, for in order for you to achieve a financial freedom as of today. So before we dive in, guys, I need to show you guys this. So this is Venezuela. This is Venezuela where money has no usage again. So this is a country where money has no usage. This is Venezuela. You guys can see what is happening here. So this is money, which is why government keep printing more money. And as of today, money has no value in Venezuela anymore. So which is why you need Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is 21 million that will ever be in circulation. 21 million that will ever be in existence. But as you guys can see, this is Venezuela where money is worthless. So in Venezuela now, money is worthless. So money have no usage. So which is why you need a Bitcoin. So I keep telling you guys every single day. So this is a country you guys can see money which a government keep printing now is worthless. So it has no usage. So let's dive into the market. So guys, first, I keep telling you guys that the tariff war keep going on around the world, which as you guys can see, so President Trump is pushing up to at least 20% tariff in Europe. So he's pushing for 20% tariff in Europe. So at first, so he put the tariff with about 30%, which now he's pushing for at least, let me refresh there. Yeah, which now President Trump is pushing for at least 20% tariff in Europe. So which is why I keep telling you guys, there's no tariff in Bitcoin. You guys know that there's no tariff in Bitcoin. So there's no tariff in Bitcoin. So as you guys can also see it here. So this is the 30%. So and now this is being costly in Europe because of this tariff of 18. So because President Trump is posting a 30% tariff in Europe, but now he's pushing for 20% tariff. So let's dive into the market. So breaking news: Donald Trump signs a historical crypto bill. So so what is this crypto bill? Which is the Genus Crypto Act, which President Trump just signed into law, which is amazing. It's crazy to have much water there. So, guys, as you guys can see, President Trump finally, so he signed the Genius Crypto Act into law. So, which is amazing. At least, the crypto space keep getting bigger and bigger every single day. More country keep embracing Bitcoin and crypto. So, I keep telling you guys, people who keep telling you today that, Bitcoin is a scam are people who don't understand Bitcoin, who don't understand how blockchain works. That is because, we all know that so Bitcoin and crypto is so transparent. So every transaction is on blockchain, and if you make a transaction today, the next 10 years it will be on blockchain. So it's not a scam. Bitcoin is not a scam. People who keep telling you Bitcoin is a scam is because they don't understand it. Even if this President Trump, who is signing the Genius Act now, so this is a president which 6 years ago he made a tweet that he is not a fan of Bitcoin, so he did not believe in Bitcoin. So he took Bitcoin, copied with the US dollar, but now he is signing a law at least for them to regulate the stable coin. So this Genius Act, it will allow the United States to make sure that so to regulate the stable coin, which is amazing. It's amazing, man. For sure. So, guys, which take us here? Coinbase CEO. So, Coinbase CEO said that, so the Trump's Genius Act, which just launched now, so it's a financial revolution. So, it will really help the United States as well. So, not just Coinbase CEO, which is saying so. So, there are lots of people as well. So, which think that for sure this will help the United States. So, which also take us here. As you guys can see here, Thomas Emma, he said that President Trump promised to make America the crypto capital of the world. And today, we deliver. So he is proud that, during his campaign, President Trump said that, so he wants to make America the crypto capital of the world. So which is what he's working towards to as today. You guys can see. So President Trump is working so hard every single day to make sure that, America become, the crypto capital of the world. I keep telling you guys, so you guys can see the United States is working so hard to make sure that, so they embrace Bitcoin and crypto. So which is why you don't need to sleep in the crypto space as well. So if the United States are embracing crypto, do you think that other countries will embrace Bitcoin as well? They will. It's just because, they are just getting starting, and we are just getting starting. And, before you know, the next few years, they will have to be adopting Bitcoin when a Bitcoin will be trading between at least $2 million per coin. By then, they will be too late to adopt a Bitcoin. So people who are dotting Bitcoin right now is because they are so smart. They know that Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. So guys, let me take something. A second. So guys, let's dive in. So I wanted to drink something, so which is for sure necessary. My throat. So guys, as you guys can see here, which also take us here, BlackRock just bought another 2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin just this week. So I keep telling you guys, the big boys they keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating. So BlackRock just bought another 2.5 billion dollars worth of Bitcoin just a week. Just between a week, BlackRock alone already accumulate another 2.5 billion dollars worth of Bitcoin. Guess what? Which take us here. I keep showing you guys those data for you guys to know what is happening in the crypto space. You guys can see as of today, BlackRock is now holding 731,515.9 Bitcoin. So just BlackRock alone, as of today, is now holding seven nine. No, not it's now holding just BlackRock is now holding 86.4 billion in Bitcoin. Just BlackRock alone is now holding 86.4 billion dollars in Bitcoin. Just BlackRock. Which if you guys go down here, you will find out that over the past 1 month, BlackRock have not sold a single Bitcoin. Since on the 9th of June, to date, you can see that BlackRock have been buying and buying and buying. Just on the 16th of this month, July, BlackRock added 6,905.3 Bitcoin. So on the 17th, BlackRock added how many Bitcoin? Which is 4,156.6 Bitcoin. So the big boys they keep buying, which is why I keep saying, even if this cycle, even if the market will deep down, but Bitcoin will deep down like previous cycle. That is because we now have the Wall Street here, which they keep buying and buying and buying and buying. So just imagine, just one company, just BlackRock alone, is already holding, as you guys can see it here, just BlackRock alone is already holding $86 billion in Bitcoin, which is 731,515.9 Bitcoin, just BlackRock alone. So, guys, the Wall Street they keep buying. So the people who are taking profit right now are the long-term holders. So I saw it on chain, and for sure the long-term holders they are taking profit, which is very very important as well. So if you have been holding Bitcoin for a while and you are sitting with a huge amount of profit, yeah, taking profit is very very important. So which is I think is necessary. So guys, the big boys are not sleeping; they keep buying. So more people keep embracing Bitcoin. So which also take us here, which I was saying just now. As you guys can see here, this is Charles Charles Schwab. So he's praising Bitcoin and crypto once again. So he said that we'll be launching Bitcoin and Ethereum trading spot ETF. So which is huge as well. That is because Charles Charles Schwab he is he's managing about 8.7 trillion in assets. So which is huge. So Charles Ewer launching another spot ETF just like a BlackRock. So as BlackRock alone is buying and buying, so he will be doing the same as well. I keep telling you this. So the big boys they are not sleeping. They keep buying and buying and buying and buying. So which is why I keep telling you guys. So don't sleep on this, don't sleep in the crypto space. The Wall Street, they are not sleeping. They keep buying and buying and buying. So Chasua is managing about 10.8 trillion in asset, 10.8 trillion in asset, which is that is what is managing 10.8 trillion dollars in asset. But imagine just a company which is managing 10.8 trillion dollars in assets. He will be launching Ethereum and Bitcoin spot ETF soon. They will be buying once again. They haven't bought yet, but they will start buying. That is because in order for them to offering a Bitcoin and Ethereum for their clients, that means they have to buy Bitcoin and hold in their treasury for them to offer Bitcoin. So that means you all know at least they will be acquiring Bitcoin next. They will be buying. Don't forget Michael Saylor. Saylor strategy alone is already holding $68 billion in Bitcoin, just a micro strategy alone. So Charles Schwab is still embracing Bitcoin. So which I think is amazing. For sure, everybody need to be embracing Bitcoin as of now. The United States is embracing Bitcoin. So more countries they are embracing Bitcoin. You know, so El Salvador they already embrace Bitcoin. So multiple countries, Indians they are embracing Bitcoin. Pakistan they said that during Bitcoin conference there will be there will be Pakistan said that during Bitcoin conference they will be using about 2,000 megawatt electricity to be mining Bitcoin. So which is huge as well. So many people keep praising Bitcoin every single day. Once you know how the crypto space works, that is because the government money it keep going down in value, which I show you guys just now. Venezuela, $1,000, a thousand note is worthless, which is why people are throwing it away. Which I will be showing you guys the clip again before Q&A. So people are throwing money away in Venezuela because it has no usage anymore. You work for it, the government print it from air. So which is why you need Bitcoin. Everyone right now need Bitcoin as well. So guys, which will take us here, you can see MasterCard. MasterCard posted this on their S account, which is aka Twitter. So because the Genius Act, which just passed by President Trump into law, with the Genius Act now passes, so we are entering a new era of clarity and confidence in digital assets. One we have been preparing for over years. So we working across the crypto and traditional finance ecosystem. So you guys can say, even if a MasterCard, they are embracing Bitcoin as well. So if you are not in the crypto space right now, you'll be missing for sure. Bitcoin and crypto has been one of the best performing assets over the years, and it will keep being one of the best performing assets. Yeah, guys, smash the like. Make sure that you press the subscribe button. Always smash the like, turn on your notification bell so that each time that I'm live, we'll be able to discuss Bitcoin and crypto together. So share this stream with your friends and family. So guys, which take us here as well. As you guys can see here, India, Indian wealthy investors are now choosing crypto over stocks and gold for sure. So who would choose crypto and Bitcoin so over gold and stock as of today? Stock have been down trading, at least even if they are up, they will be up with about 2-3% a year. But Bitcoin, a day like today, Bitcoin is being up with about 180 something million percent. So when you know between in the past 7 days, Ethereum is up 20 something percent, when SRP is up 20, almost about 29%. Most altcoins are up, double digit just in the past 7 days. So for sure, you have to choose crypto over gold and silver, which is why every single day I'm here to keep letting you guys know what is happening in the crypto space. So that's because Bitcoin and crypto has been one of the way for we all to achieve a financial freedom without, being working so hard, just like the government want you to do, because the government want you to work so hard, to leave your money in fiat, which is the government money, and it will keep going down in value. So, which, it will give you a buy power. Your buy power will keep decreasing every single day because the government will keep printing more money. So which take us here, guys, as well. So Repo CEO praises Trump as the most crypto forward president after Genius Act signing. Yeah, for sure. President Trump, has been keeping into his promise over the past few months. So in order to make America one of the, you know, to make America one of the top one country in the crypto space. So guys, even if Repo CEO is praising President Trump, just like the CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, so he's also praising President Trump for passing this law. That is because it will really help the crypto space. So which take us here, Peter Schiff, who said he saw Bitcoin when Bitcoin was trading between $4. He did not buy Bitcoin. So which is crying every single day. So Peter Schiff is on it again. You guys can see. This is Peter Schiff. As you guys can see here, decentralizing policies king. So goes box, Peter Schiff slams landmarks crypto being. So when President Trump signed the Genius Crypto Act, as you guys can see, Peter Schiff is angry. So he's saying that why will President Trump sign the Genius Crypto Act to regulate some crypto and stable coin? That is because this Genius Act is to really regulate the stable coin. It's time to regulate stable coins. So not to really regulate cryptocurrency, but to regulate stable coin. Which the one that we should be regulating a cryptocurrency should be signing into law by September. So which is why, as you guys can see here, you know, so Peter Schiff is angry again. So until when Bitcoin will be trading $1 million per coin, that is when Peter Schiff will know that he is already too late. So guys, let's see this here. Jack Dorsey, so which is the former CEO and the founder of S Twitter. So his Bitcoin company, which is called Block, so we will be joining the S&P 500. So this tool will be bringing more money into the crypto space. That is because this will allow the institutional investor to invest in their in Block company. And guess what? Block will be investing in Bitcoin more. So this is one thing I keep telling you guys. Bitcoin is here to stay. So don't sleep in the crypto space. So guys, finally, before we do Q&A, which take us here, as you guys can see here, Ultra is bullish. Ultra is bullish about Bitcoin trading between as you guys can see, $118,000. Ultra is still expecting Bitcoin to head up to $200,000. Even if yesterday, during my stream yesterday, I showed you guys that, most of the data which are still predicting at least Bitcoin to head up to $220,000 this cycle. Which I think, if we head up to $150,000 this cycle, it will be amazing. So $150,000 not bad. So it's still, a good hold. So you guys can see here, Bitcoin to 200K. Ultra's bullish prediction issues by Bitwise CIO. So guys, I know it's Saturday, and you guys want to go and enjoy the weekend. So let's do Q&A. Let's do Q&A. Let's discuss. So guys, always share this stream with your friends and family. So when you're watching from Twitch, you're watching from Kick, so you're watching from S, aka Twitter. Sorry guys, most of the time I can't stream to S, aka Twitter. Like today I'm streaming to S, but it's not connected there, which is out crazy, but that is how it is. So always make sure you are following me from on the YouTube. So for sure, every single day I'm here. So maybe 2-3 times in a year. So I did not stream. So I do stream every single day. So to discuss about Bitcoin and crypto with you guys, to let you guys know what is happening in the crypto space. That's because I know it will really encourage you guys to keep this year, for you guys to hold your Bitcoin and crypto for a long term. So which is one of the way to achieve a financial freedom. So that is because, in the crypto space, I want us all to achieve a financial freedom together. I realize that, Bitcoin has been one of the way to easily achieve a financial freedom. So it won't happen between a day, no. It takes a work, which it was my tweet today. So if you are following me on S Twitter, so I showed it today. So it will happen a day for you to achieve a financial freedom. So it takes a work. So you have to work for it. So investing in crypto. So you have to know that, so it's definitely not easy, but it takes time, but it works. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. It's just a matter of time. Keep DCA, dollar cost average. For sure, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. So, which I think, for sure, Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Let's do Q&A. We'll do Q&A shortly, guys. Let's do Q&A. Let's do Q&A. So just like as I was saying, my tweet today is that, good morning, future millionaires and billionaires in the crypto. So it will happen overnight, so for sure, just like as I'm saying, making money in the crypto space, it will happen overnight. So it takes time. But, if you quit, it won't happen at all. So if you quit, it won't happen at all. All you just need to do, you have to focus, be patient, so be courageous, and, focus. So then, for sure, in time, and keep pushing. So in time, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. So guys, Bitcoin, as you guys can see, Ultra is still predicting Bitcoin to head up to at least 200K this cycle. So which, 200K is possible this cycle. 200K is possible. But take profit, guys. We are already way too high. Bitcoin is already way too high. Bitcoin is already up huge. So yeah, patience is the key. Being patient is the key. So there are people who buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was trading $10. A day like today, a day like today, so they are not holding their Bitcoin. They sold their Bitcoin. Bitcoin was trading at $20. But today, what are they saying? I wish I know I would have hold my Bitcoin. So buy and hold for a long term. Take profits and buy back when the market is down. It's one of the way to accumulate more Bitcoin and achieve a financial freedom. So, guys, if you are just coming, so check the rewatch because I show a lot of good headline that show that Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. President Trump just signed the Genius Crypto Act into law, so which will make America to dominate in the crypto space. So at least they want to be in the to number one country in the crypto space. So guys, let's do Q&A, question and answer, man. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you all. I see all the greatest. So you guys are amazing. You guys are smart and intelligent. For sure, with Bitcoin and crypto, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. Don't forget, over the past 6 months, Bitcoin has created about 30,000 millionaires, new millionaires in the space. So, which is why you don't need to sleep in the crypto space. Keep DCA. So keep buying and hold for a long time. Yeah, for sure, there is volatility. So the crypto market is always volatile. Thank you, Christabel. The crypto market is always volatile. So the crypto market is always volatile. If there is no volatility, you will be, if there is no risk, there is no profit. So don't forget, one of the biggest risks in life, I always tell you guys this. So it does not mean you have to go all in. No, you must not go all in. You must not go all in. But one of the biggest risks in life is never taking any risk. That is one of the biggest risks in life, never taking any risk. Bitcoin always have up and down. So which is why, it's volatile. It's a volatile asset. It's asset that is volatile. So any asset that go up at least 20-30% a year for sure. So it's volatile. So Bitcoin and crypto. Bitcoin is a even risk, yeah. That is because Bitcoin now have a huge market cap. So market cap of Bitcoin is sitting between about 2.3 trillion. So like a Solana, which have less than 18 billion market cap, or Ethereum, which is holding about half a billion, less than half a billion, about 400, no, half a trillion. That is what I mean. Ethereum is having holding about a 400 billion market cap, which is between half a trillion. So it's even more volatile. So which is why a lot of people, when they come into the crypto space, they think Bitcoin is already too big, so they don't want to invest in Bitcoin. So they invest in meme coin. And when they lost it, or they said, oh, Bitcoin is a scam. But they don't know that, so Bitcoin is totally different from altcoin. And altcoin is totally different from a meme coin. So the meme coin are those ones that don't have usage. It's been driven by FOMO. So, but those altcoins, they have usage like Solana. So 99% of the meme coins are being traded on Solana. NFTs are being built on Solana. It's protocol like SUI, they have usage, SRP. So processing for crypto for payment. So those one have usage. Ethereum, NFTs are being built on Ethereum. Name domains are being built on Ethereum. So don't forget, most of the biggest NFTs are still trading on Ethereum as well. Like Boy Ape Yash Club, Crypto Park. Those NFTs are being built on Ethereum. I also own my own NFT as well. So the women when they golden coin, so I've been launched on Ethereum as well. So, guys, so a lot of good things keep happening in this space. Keep this year and hold for a long time. Yeah, greetings to you guys. Oh, I see all the greetings. The good evening. You guys are amazing. Thank you all. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. So, guys, if you are just joining, you want to start investing in Bitcoin and crypto. It's simple. Make sure you sign up with the link in the description below. So, there's a link in the description to sign up with BYBIT. All you just need to do when you sign up with BYBIT, it's simple. Verify your documents, so they will give you an IBAN. With that IBAN, you can deposit your local currency. Using the link in the description below, give you an opportunity at least winning up to $1,000. So from Bybit. So and it also give you once you trade at the first place when you if you use the link in the description below to sign up with Binance as well. So it also give you an opportunity winning up to $100 just by using the link below. So guys, yeah, Trump is getting crazy in the crypto space, guys, for sure. Trump is going all in because even if his two sons, you all know they own one of the largest crypto mining company in the United States. More sugars. Oh, BTC. One thing is that less than 1% of the population today they are still not. They are still less than one population of the world today. They are still not know about Bitcoin and crypto. Here in Europe, I will say here in Europe, like about 99% of them, they don't even know about. Then not just they don't even know about crypto. They don't. When you tell them about crypto, Bitcoin and crypto, they think it's a scam. Here in Europe, it's now that so if you check the top investors in the crypto space, you find out that most of you guys who are chatting from Nigeria, Nigerians are so smart as hell. You guys who believe that Nigerians are so smart as hell. Many Nigerians are in the crypto space, because they understand how those things work. Many people, many countries don't even still know about Bitcoin and crypto. One thing, why I think Nigeria and many Nigerians are in crypto is because it's because the way we don't trust the government. First, I want you to know we don't trust the government. Any if like people like Venezuela right now, one of the way for them to hedge against inflation is by investing in a strong asset like Bitcoin. Because when you don't trust your government, so you have to be looking for an option. How you will be able to keep your money safe, how you will be able to, how you will be able to achieve a financial freedom. That is why I think many Nigerians are topping in crypto. Nigerians, Brazil and Portugal as well. Most of those people, they are so heavy in crypto space because they don't trust their government. Here in Europe too, when you don't trust the government, they will tell you that inflation is about 2-3% a year. It's not true. So if you could be able to purchase this 5 years ago with about $10, now you will be buying it with about how much? $15. That means inflation is being up with about 50%. So if you have kept $100 in bank 5 years ago, today you will be having $17 in bank. They will be giving you $100, but your buy power will reduce at least with about 30%. That is how it is. One asset that don't have inflation is Bitcoin, which is why you need to get involved in crypto. So be tuning in every single day. So if you want to buy, So we will be starting our this year portfolio in the next few months. So which I will be buying a Bitcoin and other crypto asset to my portfolio. You guys will be see what I'll be buying. Yeah, no job opportunity as well. No job opportunity because you finish school and you totally understand that the government have failed you. So which is why the people, you have to look for an option. So in order for you to be financially free, which is what Bitcoin and crypto are being given to many people, for sure. If you look at most of the Nigeria, youth today, many of them are getting involved in the crypto space because they know that, Bitcoin and crypto has been one of the best performing asset over the years, and it has been making a lot of people to achieve a financial freedom. So, which is what I still believe we will all achieve together. All you just need to do is to keep this year. Most of my NFTs, guys, let me quickly show you guys this before we go. So, those NFTs which I made offer a few days ago, so I've received some of them. So you guys can see. So I made offer a few days ago. I keep telling you guys, one of the way, to be able to achieve a financial freedom is to buy when the market is down and take profit when the market is up. So this is it here. You guys can see. Let me go to my wallet and see, folks. Okay. So this is the wallet. You guys can see here. I made offer for this particular NFT. I was holding between 3, 4 back then. You guys can see here. My items. This is my item. You can see I click on my item. So like with this particular NFT, I remember when this NFT was selling between about 40 to 50 Solana per JPEG. But today it's trading below 1 Solana. So accumulating it today, imagine opportunity to accumulate like 20 and selling it for like when it's back up to 20 Solana. You guess that you will be getting about a 400 Solana. So you hold them for a long term. When Solana is back up to $260, you flip them. Flipping 200 Solana when Solana will be trading between 260 Solana, will be giving you at least almost about $100,000. So achieving a financial freedom is simple. It's just for you to stick to your strategy, and buy what you buy and hold for a long term. That is how it works. So, guys, for sure, you all know, as I said, so I will be doing a giveaway to you guys in the next, the month end, which is in today is already in 19th, in the next few days. So, for sure, let's say the next few weeks, next 2 weeks, it will be soon, less than 2 weeks. So, for sure, I'll be reaching out to you guys either with NFTs on USDT. So, you guys will decide. So, always share the stream with your friends and family, even if after streaming. So always share the stream with your friends and family. Always tune in every single day. Let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto so we will all achieve a financial freedom together. And you guys can see every single day I'm here to keep letting you guys know what is happening in the crypto space. So today is today. You guys should go and enjoy the weekend. I'll see you all tomorrow from 6 p.m. going Central European time. So don't forget, you are smart and intelligent. With Bitcoin and crypto, we will achieve a financial freedom together. So, guys, see you all tomorrow. Charisco is out.